Hey guys, welcome back. So let's see what exactly the situation was happened today. So it as we expected. So Nifty has given gap up only, and I told you yesterday itself it's about to get a gap up almost 50 points, and the same thing was happened today also. Uh, yes. So let's see what exactly happened from the day. See, it was closed almost, it's almost closed 15,667 rupees. And as I told you yesterday itself, it's might, open up in 15,700. And I told you that if it's open 15,700 and if it's sustained there, then there is a huge, you know, uh, coverage will happen. Like there are plenty of call option has been sorry call option has been written 15,700, and they need to run for the recovery. So that is what exactly happened. And if you could see the third candle, it's brought up that almost yesterday's close also, and buyers came in between and they took the market up and above. If you could see exactly, like this was the first this was a red candle, a red line which I had given, so it was open upside only, and it has a gradually it was moved over there. So top of that it was a expiry date also. So even the last expiry also the same thing was happened exactly. Like if you could see, last 15 minutes it was bent, it was run like anything, almost 300 points, 3 400 points up in the bank nifty, actually not the nifty. The same thing, same exactly things happened today also. So it's take a support on our second target, and from there it's again went to our third target, and from exactly market exactly closed with our fourth target. So this was our fourth target actually. So this was exactly happened, and the same thing. Let we have a look at the bank nifty also. Even I had given this 35,026. I didn't given any the small line only which I had given. So even I have confused about this level, because market maximum stress in here only. So that is the reason I had given any indication about this level. And see, all this bank nifty has shot up almost from 1 o'clock onwards. So almost it's because of State Bank of India only. It's went a little bit higher. And if you could see the State Bank of India, it's almost 10 rupees up in a single day. It's almost 2.5 percentage up actually. And that is boost up that bank nifty also. Okay, that's it. And let what is the status of FII? FII almost, as expected. It's FII, they brought 1,329 crore, and DIA as usual. Whenever market goes high, DIA used to sell. So it's 575 crore they sold actually. So let us look at the open interest of Nifty first. Select this is the next expiry day. So if you could see the Nifty level, so it's giving you a healthy, really healthy one. If you could see put option has been written really badly on 15,700, and call option also is written, but not as much when comparing with 16,000. So 15,700 are going to be the huge support for the Nifty, and maybe tomorrow it may trade in between 15,700 to 15,800. And if it's broke 15,800, it won't get that much resistance in 15,900. It may go and touch 16,000. From there is a possibility it will go down. So coming weekdays, week expiry, so it's may probably to expiry trade in between 15,700 to 16,000. So that is what the open interest is indicating. So let we have a look at that key levels. So 15,755, if it's broke 15,755, so you can keep the first target of 15,782 and 15,801, and there is a much possibility it may reverse from 15,800. The main reason based on open interest. So 15,800, it's going to be the huge resistance. If it's broke 15,800, so then the immediate resistance will be 16,000. So after that, I don't have any particular key levels about them. The last time when Nifty came under the selling pressure, once it's reached 15,814 rupees. So this also I had mentioned as a minor line only. So you can have a key levels over there. At the same time, if the market goes down, if it's grown, if it's break 15,727, so you can take a first target of 15,705 and 15,674, and there is a possibility if it's touch 15,700, there is a possibility it will go upside also. So as per the open interest in 35,000, it has a huge open interest and call option and put options. So it says that market might roam around in between near to 35,000. So it may go 35,500, and there is a possibility it will go down also. So coming expiry week, so there is a possibilities it will trade in between 35,000 to 35,500. So based on that, the key levels which I have mentioned here, if it's break 35,334, this is the options, futures options. Okay, so if it's break 35,333, so there is a possibility it can reach 35,573, and the second target you can keep it 35,718, and third 35,800, and there is a less possibilities of breaking this 35,575. There is a possibility it may reverse from this level also, and same time if it goes down 35,168, if it's broke, then you can keep your first target 35,000 and 34,822, so that you can keep it as a second target. And yesterday I told you like a couple of stocks I have trading, which is Bandhan Bank and State Bank of India. Bandhan Bank, I was expecting a huge upside move, which was not happened actually as expected. Sorry, as I didn't expect, because the even Banknifty completely on the sideway today. So if you could see from 2 o'clock, 2:30 on to 1 o'clock, sorry, 2 o'clock onwards only, there is a slight upside movement. So it's brought almost went almost 322, and from there it came down actually. So I'm little curious about the status on tomorrow. And the same time, when I close the calls by almost this time, end of just 5 minutes before the market close, and I close the market my position. And another one, State Bank of India. The State Bank of India, if you could see, we brought almost when it was trading almost here 420 rupees. So we took the trade. So again, as expected, it was there is a gap up position, and it went sideways only from as usual 2 o'clock. Sorry, not as usual. Um, FII started to buy the SBI, so it's gradually moved over there. Gradually it was moved, and it's went almost 433, but I closed the call almost here only 432 rupees, just 5 minutes before the market close. So just see, we brought almost 420 rupees and we sold almost 432 rupees. So this was exactly happened over there. And I don't have any much plans for tomorrow. Still couple of stocks I kept in my radar, like Jubilee Food. So Jubilee Food, you could see in the day candle, then only you will come to understand. See, Jubilee Food, it was giving a nice breakup, gap up. Sorry, it's upside movement. So if you could see, it's a healthy movement. There is a huge upside, and there is small consolidation and huge upside, and there is a consolidation, and again it's going up. So I'm expecting tomorrow maybe it's may break 3241, or else it may come back to 3132, and from here it may go up. So this is what my expectation. And and another one, I used to, I keep on telling you about the swing trade for the Vibro. So Vibro also has given a nice breakout. This is 545 was the lifetime high, 52 weeks high. So it's took a support in 545 rupees, and it's closed today 554 rupees. Almost 10 rupees has been gained. So this is also a nice stock. So let's see what exactly we can do. Even, yeah, that's it for day. And another one, which is LT. So this is also, I am expecting, this is 1520 5100 and sorry 1512 rupees. It's acting as a good support. So I'll see whether the breakout by tomorrow, if it's gap up opening and going upside, in the sense I'll go for a call option. And or else, in case if it's broke 1513, then I'll wait another couple of trading section to have a look. So these are the things which in my radar. So I'll keep you posted in case if I'm changing or adding any other couple of stocks over there. So trade carefully. And tomorrow I'm expecting a bullish candle only. If you could see, yeah. So it didn't broke yesterday's high of 15,800. So there is a possibility it will go higher side, as the global cues also it's supporting. And if you could see, Singapore Nifty, it's trading 15,790, and Nasdaq also is green, and DJ Jones also is in green. So I'm expecting a good upside rally tomorrow. So we will see, and we'll plan the trading accordingly. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, and if I'm doing any mistake in my analysis, please share your feedback in the comment section, so I'll correct myself. So that's it for today. Bye, see you tomorrow.